Welcome to part 3 of the Tradefair Spreads video tutorial. This time we're going to take a look at how charts show you a market's past performance so you can get clues as to what it might do in the future, whether that be in the next few minutes, hours, days or months. How often you keep a trade running will mostly depend on your trading style. You might be a day trader, or you may prefer to take a longer term view. Reading charts is also known as technical analysis, and although it can get pretty technical, the basics are quite easy to pick up. To get access to the charts on the Tradefair Spreads platform, just click this little bar chart icon to the right of the market listing here. Opens up a new window, and there we are, there's our chart. Now it defaults to a candlestick chart, which is one of the most popular charts used by pro traders. Each candle represents 10 minutes of activity on the market. The candle's green if the market rose, and it's red if the market fell. This is the wick, which shows the highest it went in that interval. And here, the tail shows how low it went. You can change the interval by clicking on this menu. So if we click Daily, now each candlestick represents one day, and you can see the past few months' activity. If you're looking to trade longer term, then it's a good idea to look backwards further. If you're trading shorter term, you don't need so much past data, and you can set your intervals to be shorter. So let's get back to our 10-minute clock. We want some fast action. Right, we can see that FTSE has been declining over the last day or so. Now you can make a guess and say, if the market's falling, it's probably going to carry on in that direction, and put your trade on. Or you can be a little bit more scientific. Don't worry, just a little bit. If you click the settings button down here to the left, we can start overlaying some more information to give us more of a clue about what the market might do. One of the simplest, and in many cases most effective bits of analysis, is the moving average. That's why we've put it at the top. Just click MA for moving average, and you'll see these 3 different coloured lines appear on the chart. And there, one for 20 days, one for 50, and one for 100. And they're colour-coded. Here, look. Now here's an idea for you. When the short moving average, that's the orange line, crosses the long moving average, that's the grey line, that can often mean that the market is going to fall. And look here, it did. And there was a little bump here, but since this morning, the market fell. On the other hand, when the short moving average crosses the long moving average from underneath, then you could take that as an indicator that the market will rally. It's not fail-safe, but it's better than flipping a coin. If you go back to the settings dialog box, there are other things you can use. In fact, with the Tradefair Spreads platform, there's quite a lot you can do. That's just to whet your appetite about technical analysis. Whole books have been written about the subject. In fact, a good place to start is with Malcolm Pryor's Winning Spread Betting Strategies. You can get it from Amazon. And there's also some more information on our website at tradefair.com. That's it for this time. Now go and get yourself some good books on technical analysis. Happy trading!